to be the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak is secured. Our reporter Judah Benha is in Kajiado and now joins us live with the latest update on this. Good afternoon, Judah. I believe you can now hear me. Talk to us about the situation there in Ongata Rongai, especially being the epicenter of the outbreak in the country. Talk to us about the residents there. Is there panic regarding the outbreak, Judah?
I can hear you, Grace. The situation here, it's serious business. First of all, it's serious business in Ongata Rongai. There's been a meeting here in Olekasasi Health Center since morning, and there's been also a parallel meeting in Ongata Rongai town where leaders of the county have also been together trying to deliberate on how they're going to deal with this situation. In that meeting, we have the governor, who is Joseph Olelenku, the governor of Kajiado, and we're just expecting them to land into this health center to just tell us what they have. So the people here are really tense, obviously, because we understand the woman who was reported as the first patient to have the coronavirus symptoms resides in Ongata Rongai. People are afraid, people are unsure who she was in contact with. We know that yes, the government has promised that they have located the people who were in contact with that woman, but it's without a doubt that there are people who passively were in contact with this woman. We're talking about the Mamamboga, we're talking about maybe an M-Pesa she visited, and it's that the government and the county officials are coming here to discuss on how they're going to deal with that situation, Grace.
Okay, and I believe you're going to be getting more from the governor once he gets there, Judah. But also talk to us about some of these measures that the public has been sensitized about. Talk about washing hands thoroughly with, soap and water, running water, and of course using sanitizers. You being there, I don't know if you've been able to observe people taking these safety precautionary measures, Judah.
Yes, Grace, I've actually been to a couple of places. We've been to a place where most buildings now have the hand wash, they have the alcohol disinfectants, and they have been positioned in different places where people can just access them and clean their hands. I can also mention that the Red Cross has set camp in this area in Kajiado County, and they're planning to go and do screening of people in the streets, particularly the place where that woman used to stay, to try to establish how many people really were in contact passively with this particular lady. So yes, there have been efforts by the public to purchase sanitizers and to ensure that, they're following the steps that have been in the media to ensure that they're protected and they're really protected against this novel coronavirus.
Judah, there was a directive yesterday by the Transport CS, James Macharia, to the PSVs, the public service vehicles, to provide sanitizers, to the people, the passengers, the people using this means of transport, matatus specifically. Have you spotted any?
Unfortunately, Grace, I think that has not yet been established. We haven't seen anything of that sort. But what we know is that after this, there are chemicals being mixed here in this hospital. These are the chemicals that are going to disinfect that particular building where that lady resided just before she took herself to the hospital yesterday and was diagnosed with coronavirus. So chemicals are here, and after this meeting of the governor, his team, and the medical personnel, they're going to that building and they're going to disinfect the entire building.
Thank you. Of course, we'll be linking up with you later on in our subsequent broadcasts, especially after that meeting is done with the county, the governor, that is Olelenku. Thank you, Judah. Stay safe once again. Let's move on. 2 suspects have been arrested.